Hello children, welcome back to our IT class. Let us discuss the second lesson of our IT. Input and output devices. Input and output devices. You know, there are three major parts of a computer. First one is input devices. What is input device? The device which are used to enter data into the computer are called input devices. The devices which are used to enter data into the computer are called input devices. Some of the common input devices are follows. Some of the common input devices. First one is keyboard. Keyboard has many buttons that are called keys. Keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. A standard keyboard has total 104 keys. Keyboard has total 104 keys. Next input device is mouse. Mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is used to point, move and select any item on the computer screen. It is used to point, move and select any item on the computer screen. And also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Mouse help us to draw pictures and play games. Third one is scanner. Scanner is also an input device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages, etc. and send into computer. Scanner is a device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazine pages and send into computer. These are the 3 examples of input devices. Next one is microphone. Microphone is used to record voice and different sounds into a computer. Microphone is used to record voice and different sounds into a computer. It helps us to talk to our friends through the internet. It helps to talk our friends through internet. This also an example of input devices. That is keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner. These are the examples of input devices. Next is output devices. Output device means used to display and give the final output. Some of the most common output devices are monitor, printer. Monitor looks like a TV screen. Monitor is also known as visual display unit, that is VDU. Monitor is also known as visual display unit. It shows text typed in and the work done by. Second output device is printer. Printer is used to print the text or picture on the paper. It can be used to take both black and white or colored printout. Printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. Printer is an output device used to print the text or picture on a paper. It can be used to take both black and white colored printouts. Printed copy is known as hard copy. Another output device is speaker. Speakers allow us to listen to music and hear any sound stored on a computer. Speaker used to hear any sound stored on a computer. Next one is headphone. Headphones are used to listen to sound from a computer or a music player without disturbing others. Headphones consist of one speaker for each ear connected by a band over the head. Headphone is an output device used to listen to sound from a computer or a music player without disturbing others. Headphone consists of one speaker for each ear connected by a band over the head. Next device is storage devices. Now we discuss input device, output device, and the third one is storage devices. Computer uses many devices to store important data and information in the computer. These are called storage devices. The common storage devices are hard disk. First one is hard disk. It is like a rectangular box fixed inside the CPU box. It can store a huge amount of data. One of the storage devices is hard disk. It is like a rectangular box fixed inside the CPU box. It can store a huge amount of data. Next one is CD, that is compact disc or DVD. A CD is round in shape. It helps to store large amount of data. A DVD stores more data than a CD. CD is placed inside the CD drive. Next one is pen drive. Pen drive stores data that can be further copied to any other computer. Pen drive is small in size. It is easy to carry. It is also known as flash drive. That are the devices, storage devices, pen drive, CD or DVD. Next, what we discussed in this lesson, the summary of the lesson. Yes, the devices which are used to enter data are called the input devices. That means mainly three major parts have a computer: input, output, storage. Input means used to enter data are called input devices. The devices which are used to give the final output called output devices. And storage device means the device which are used to store data are called storage devices. Then let us discuss the exercise part, activity part, filling the blanks. First one, the parts of a computer are divided into dash main categories. The parts of a computer are divided into dash main categories. How many categories? Yes, three main categories: input, output and storage. Second question, the dash devices are used to enter data into a computer. Which device are used to enter data into a computer? Input device are used to enter data into a computer. Third question, the standard keyboard has dash keys. The standard keyboard has 104 keys. And the last one, the dash devices are used to store data. Which device is used to store data? Yes, storage devices are used to store data. Next one, match the parts of a computer with their picture. Some of the pictures are given here. Match the A and B parts. First one, pen drive. Yes, which picture is pen drive? Yes, this one is pen drive. Next, speaker. Can you guess? Yes, this one is speaker. And the last one, headphone. Yes, this one is the headphone. The next, hard disk. Which is hard disk? Yes. Next one, microphone. Is the microphone picture. CPU. This is the CPU. Next, write true or false. First one, Output devices are used to display the final output. Output devices are used to display the final output. It is true. Next one, speakers are used to record sound. Speakers are used to record sound. It's a false statement. Third one, buttons on a keyboard are called keys. Buttons on a keyboard are called keys. It is true. Last, a standard keyboard has 105 keys. Is it true? No, it is false because it have 105 keys are given there. The correct answer is 104. Okay. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Next one is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. First one, CD is placed inside the dash. Where is CD placed? Yes, on the CD, in the CD drive. In the CD drive. Next one, three options are given. A dash is also known as flash drive, pen drive, monitor, hard disk. Which is the correct answer? Pen drive. A pen drive is also known as a flash drive. Next one, the printed copy on a paper is called the dash. Soft copy, record copy, hard copy. The correct answer is, which is the correct answer? Hard copy. The printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. Next, answer the following. First one, what do you mean by output devices? What do you mean by output devices? Answer is, the devices which are used to give the final output are called output devices. The devices which are used to give the final output called the output devices. Second question, which storage devices is used fixed inside the CPU box? Which storage devices is fixed inside the CPU box? Yes, hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. Then last question, which part of a computer looks like a TV? Which parts of a computer looks like a TV? Yes, monitor. Monitor is look like a TV. Next, fill in the crossword with the help of picture clues. Fill in the crossword with the help of picture clues. Yes, some of the pictures are given. Using this picture clue, filling the columns. CPU. CPU is in downward. Next, printer in crossword. Keyboard in downward. Mouse is in crossword. Speaker is also in crossword. Computer is in downward. Monitor, that is in crossword. Microphone is in downward. And the last CD is in crossword. Next, categorize the input and output devices from the given picture. In the picture, categorize the input and output devices. From the picture, first pick out the input devices. First one is microphone. Microphone is an input device. Next input device from the picture is mouse. Next one is keyboard. Next one is scanner. Input devices from the picture: microphone, mouse, keyboard and a scanner. And the output devices, first one is monitor. Monitor is an output device. Next, printer. Printer is an output device. Next one, speaker. Speaker is an output device. Next, headphone. These are the output devices. Input devices: microphone, mouse, keyboard and scanner. Output devices: monitor, printer, speaker and headphones. Next, filling the blanks. I have many keys that are used for typing dash. First question, I have many keys that are used for typing dash. Keyboard. Keyboard has many keys for typing. Second one, I look like a TV and display output, which is that is monitor. Monitor is look like a TV and display output. Next, I am used to record voice. Who am I? I am used to record voice. I am microphone. Next, I am used to take printout on a paper. I am used to take printout on paper, that is printer. Next one, I help you to listen to music. Headphone. Headphone is used to listen to music. Okay, that's the second lesson. Let us wind up the class. All of you study very well. Thank you.